This is a glow recipe, Plump Hyaluronic Cream. What I really love about this one, it has this beautiful thick texture. I do love a thick cream, especially for nighttime, that it just kind of really gives me a nice inclusive layer. So as you can see, it is thick, but it actually kind of almost melts into the skin, and really it goes so easily. So I think this really can work with both oily or dry skin, just because it melts down to almost like a thin layer where you still feel the hydration, but you're not really feeling that like heaviness, that clogged pores. You're not really feeling any of that. And that's why I think this really can work well with both oily or dry skin. It would really work with the best with any skin. This has polyglutamic acid, which boosts the efficiency of hyaluronic acid while still locking in the moisture for all day hydration. This has 5 different weights of hyaluronic acid, and that really helps kind of work its way through the skin layer and really hydrate the skin, because that's what hyaluronic acid do. It has 1,000 more times more hydration than water even. This has ice willow herb, which helps balances oil and supports the skin barrier. This also has plum, which brightens, hydrates, and rejuvenates the skin with antioxidants. That, as you can see too, that I would use this more as a nighttime moisturizer. But if you're really just doing a light foundation, this would be actually very good as a priming step to kind of prep the skin, just a thin layer of it. But this really does make my skin more balanced and hydrated. I do have combo skin. I do have some acne, and I am 35, so I do have a little bit of wrinkles. So this really, I feel helps me kind of balance my skin. So if you're looking for a new moisturizer, this is definitely one you need to try. Especially, this one doesn't really have much of a scent. Most glow recipes products do, and they have, but this one, if you're worried about having it too much of a scent, this doesn't, you don't have to worry about this. So if you're looking for anyone, this is definitely one to check out.